2024 Honda Acura A-Spec Integra, all right? It's got remark system on it. It's a pretty sweet setup. Remark specializes in Japanese and, you know, Hondas, Civics, Corolla, stuff like that. Remark makes a really sweet system. This is a pretty beefy setup. Dual piping out the back with a 3-inch midsection. Pretty sweet. The Acura Integras do not have many systems on the market. The Borla Attack is one of my favorites. The Remark is a little bit more affordable. Both available on our website, gexhaust.com. This one does come with the blue tips, does have a stainless tip option, but customer wants to go with the black and blue. Looks pretty sweet. You can see the Remark logo on there. And Matt's basically taking everything apart. I'm gonna drop the stock system, install this loop-de-loop pipe. This is what we call a Six Flags roller coaster exhaust right here. You guys can see it. I mean, it's pretty sweet, very well manufactured. A little bit of overkill if you ask me. The Borla system is a little bit simpler, but more expensive. That one's around $1,500 This one's around $1,000 So you get a little bit more bang for the buck with the Remark, but don't cheap out on your exhaust system. Go with the Borla, go with the higher quality. We'll crank this, let us know what you think about this Remark. I think it's a sweet setup. If you got an Acura Type R, Integra, or a Civic, Remark's available on our website, guys. So let me show you the stock system real quick. Stock system consists of stock loop-de-loop pipes, all right? Stock mufflers in the back, or resonators, whatever you want to call these things. And it unbolts only on one section, which is kind of odd. Shout out to Honda for making a bolt-on section only on one side. I'm not sure why it's not here, but who knows. And then midsection, flattened Y pipe, complete garbage, not efficient, not performance-based. It's more for, like, you know, we need gas mileage out of this Honda. So we flattened out the pipe and, you know, not making any performance. So again, the pipe continues, a little bit more flattened here, 2¼ inch piping, stock resonator, not doing anything again for performance, and it continues all the way up to this triangle flange right there. That's where this bolt-on kit slaps onto, and so we're running from that triangle flange all the way through. Comes with a sick-ass 3-inch mid pipe with a performance resonator. See if I can open this. Woo! Boom, son. Shiny as hell, boy. Pretty sweet. Like I said, pretty sick setup. 3-inch all the way through. Beefy setup. 3-inch upgrade from 2¼ Huge upgrade. This thing's gonna breathe, guys. This shit's gonna breathe. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of the way so Matt can do his exhaust stuff.
So we just finished up the sports touring catback on the Integra Acura. This also fits, guys, Civics, Type Rs, all that. So right here, it's a great system, great for affordability and performance. You get both in one. Right here, performance resonator right in the middle. In the back, we got this link loop design. That's what they call it, to still give it performance and a nice clean sound. The tips, guys, we took off the wrapping on that one. Let me take off this one right here. Check this out, Jay, zoom in on this. Sheesh! These are burnt blue. They also come in classic chrome polished. All right, this thing fits really well. I wouldn't suggest trying to install this at home. You could try, but it'll be tough to get under the car and get under that. So you could bring it to your local exhaust shop. If you're in South Florida, pull up, yo. We love seeing our YouTube subscribers pull up to the shop and show love. We have a bunch of tip options. We have a bunch of intake options. We have a bunch of exhaust options. So check out the website as well, gexhaust.com. If you can't make it, we're gonna bring this down, let you hear it. But this is a great system. Again, Integra. This is the Acura Integra, but also Civics, guys. Performance and affordability. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Make sure to like this video.